SRFM stock analysis and Surf Air Mobility stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I'm going to play and trade this. With Surf Air Mobility, I'm absolutely aware that 11th of July might not be the craziest day, but what I'm also aware is that I've been bullish in this on the last 4 predictions, and all of them have been pumping very religiously. This is where it all began. When I catch these movements, when it's pumping, it is really pumping, it's printing. So at that time, I was sitting at 331. I was aiming just beneath $4 there. It was like 7 days back. And then it started pumping. Well, look at this now here. Video made like literally yesterday, post market sesh. Like this was like 20 hours ago. You see, it was like actually 3 p.m. the day before. All I wanted to see is the price to give me that shit. It was 647, and then since that has already kind of happened, this is where we are. Such a decent delivery. All I'm sitting here, man, is just waiting for this to take the highs out. That's it. This is not waiting anymore. It's just a W, and waiting to collect another W here, if that makes sense. Another dub. Now, if you want my exact play picks plus the Discord, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people have already gotten enrolled.